Namaskar. Today I am going to share with you the benefits of a simple yet very powerful drink, and that is lemon water. The simple and humble lemon or nimbu is a part of every Indian kitchen, and it has many health benefits and can do wonders for you. Let me take you through 7 compelling reasons why you should make lemon water a part of your daily routine. First, lemon helps in digestion and cleansing. In both yoga as well as in Ayurveda, digestion is considered the basic foundation of your health. When our digestive system is functioning optimally, our body can absorb nutrients efficiently and expel toxins effectively. Lemon water stimulates the digestive system. The citric acid in lemon enhances the secretion of digestive juices, which aids in breaking down food more efficiently. This not only helps in better digestion but also prevents common issues like bloating and heartburns. Lemon water acts as a gentle natural diuretic. It encourages liver to produce bile, which is essential for digestion and helps in flushing out toxins from the body. Second, lemon water boosts immunity. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system. Vitamin C in lemon neutralizes free radicals and increases the production of white blood cells. These cells are body's primary defense against infection. The vitamin C from lemon water also supports body for natural healing process, ensuring that you stay vibrant and healthy, especially when the season changes. Incorporate lemon water into your diet. This can provide an extra layer of protection against common cold and flu. The next benefit of lemon water is that it freshens your breath. A bright, confident smile and a fresh breath is something everyone wants. Drinking lemon water can improve your oral health and freshen your breath. Lemons have a refreshing citrus scent that can mask bad odor. The natural acidity helps in neutralizing bad bacteria that cause bad breaths. A dry mouth is a breeding ground for that bacteria, leading to bad breath and oral health issues. The citric in lemon juice helps in producing saliva, ensuring that your breath stays fresh throughout the day. Another benefit is that lemon water improves the quality of your skin. Our skin is a reflection of our internal health. When we nourish our body from within, it shows on the outside. Vitamin C in lemon is not only a powerful antioxidant but also crucial for collagen production, which is essential for maintaining skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. Regularly drinking lemon water helps reducing skin blemishes and acne due to its detoxifying property. It also helps lightening age spots and scars over time. By hydrating with lemon water, you are getting your skin hydration and nutrients which is needed to stay supple and youthful. Next, lemon water promotes weight loss. Lemon water can really help you in weight loss journey. Lemons contain pectin fiber, which can help curb hunger cravings. Lemon water can help you feel fuller, making it easier to avoid unhealthy snacking and overeating. Additionally, lemon water can boost your metabolism. It makes your body burn more calories. Combined with a balanced diet and a regular yoga practice, this simple habit can significantly help you in weight management. A lemon water also improves your mood and energy level. The mind and body are deeply connected. The refreshing scent of lemon alone has been shown to reduce stress and improve mood. Lemons are also rich in potassium, which is essential for brain and nerve function. This can help in reducing the feeling of anxiety and depression. Also remember that staying well hydrated with lemon water ensures that your energy level remains steady throughout the day. Finally, lemon water is very good for your heart. Let's not forget that heart is the center of our being. Heart health is of paramount importance. and lemon water can contribute positively in that. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemon helps in reducing inflammation and protecting the blood vessels from oxidative damage. The potassium in lemons by helping to regulate blood pressure. By drinking lemon water regularly, you are nourishing your heart and supporting its vital function. Lemon water is an amazing remedy to improve your health and overall well-being. Remember, wellness is a journey, not a destination. Every small step you take while having a glass of lemon water every day brings you closer to healthier and happier life. Stay committed to your well-being and let the goodness of lemon water be the friend on your journey. Namaskar.